Compact and lightweight. Reverse battery protection WTH easy to replace fuses. Electronic current limiting, high and low AC input protection. Intelligent, variable speed cooling fan. Automatic thermal protection. Top reviews from the United States. Bought this unit to replace my 8735 unit that did its job for 10 years but finally retired. I went with this PD4045 for two main reasons and not purchase the WFCO unit again. Wanted to future-proof for lithium-ion batteries while I wait out for my 6V lead-acid batteries to finally die. Also, this progressive dynamics unit is a complete drop-in replacement, meaning if your cabinet is cut out for the 8735 this unit will fit. It is slightly deeper, but you should have the clearance for it. If I had to say anything, maybe about 1/8 of an inch wider, but most RV manufacturers cut the hole a little larger. You will receive way more flexibility with this unit, extra AC breakers and double the DC circuits, which is a plus. Your breakers from the WFCO unit will fit into this progressive dynamics unit. I had to purchase no extra parts for this install, just cannibalize the old converter. I hope this information helps those on the fence.